Guys, this is EBPMAN with tabletsforme.com, and we're going to go through installing a clear screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy S4. So we've installed these kind of screen protectors in the past. Today we're going to do it on the Galaxy S4. It's a great screen protector. It comes with two within the package. You'll never have to, I've never had to switch screen protectors, but it's always good to have a backup. It comes with a little squeegee, a certificate of authenticity, your dust removers, which I've shown you in the past how to use, and we'll use these today. A little cleaning cloth, and we'll go ahead and install it. This one's a little tricky because of how narrow the sides are on the S4, but I'll show you how you install it and how you make sure you get no bubbles or dust. First thing you need to make sure is that your screen is clean, that it's dust free. And I like doing it in an environment where the doors aren't open, everything is closed, because dust will show up and you just won't know where it came from. So I'll make sure that it has no dust, and it looks like it's nice and clean and no fingerprints. You really should put the screen protector with your hands clean and recently washed and dried. So I'll put the cloth down, and now I'll take my screen protector. There's two sides, there's a front and a back. I like always working on the back side first, so what you do is you just peel this off slightly, and then you start the alignment of the actual screen protector on the actual screen. I like working from top to bottom, especially since the tabs are there, and it makes it a lot easier. So what I'll do is I'll just move to the side so you guys can see how this works. So what I'll do is I'll try to align at the top, part of my head as it comes up in the video, so that I can get my corners nice. And you notice that as I start pressing it down, it starts grabbing immediately. And I can tell that I've already got dust right here. I'm not going to worry about that, because I can come back and fix it. But the one thing I like to make sure is that the sides are aligned. So what I'll do is I'll keep my sides here, my fingers on the sides, and then just take a look and see how's the alignment. This, if you notice, the screen protector goes to each one of the corners, and what you want to make sure is that you don't have any overlap, so as you put a case, it doesn't bubble up or push the case or crease the actual screen protector. So it looks pretty good on both sides. For the very first time, you'll notice that my camera is exposed and also my grill went through nicely. And as I come down further, what I'll try to do is see if I have any other specks. It doesn't look like I have any. Bring it down, look at the sides. Looks like I'm good right here. And then I'll just let it go, and it'll fall right on top. Now, I'm probably going to do some adjustments. I'll probably raise it and maybe adjust it a little bit. But you'll notice how it came down, very few bubbles. But I don't like how I have some gap on this side. So what I'll do is I'll remove the screen protector for the front-facing part, and this is just preventing this from scratching. Take it off like so. Right? And then what I'll use is the little stickies that come with it to actually adjust it. So all I'm going to do is take these little stickies, put them here, and then once I do this and I raise, you'll notice that my screen protector will come up. See how it comes up? And then I can make any adjustments. I can get bubbles out, I can get dust out by doing that. So let me go ahead and do some tweaking, and then we'll come back to the video. Alright, so all I did was I raised the actual screen protector by using these corners, as I've shown you some of the other videos, to take out some of the dust that was there. But I left one of the bubbles left so you can see how you remove the bubble. So all I'm going to do is kind of squeegee this upwards like this. And notice how it comes up. And then get rid of any kind of bubbles that are under there. And then take the cloth and just go over it. So you'll notice once I take off this other dust remover, remember you use the dust remover to bring up the film, and then you use it to lift it, and then you stick this sticker underneath to take out any dust. But once you've done that, you'll notice this, and we'll take off this little tab here as well, and we'll see how close we can get on the video. But you'll notice no bubbles whatsoever. This is a very nice screen protector. It covers all areas, and notice that comes all the way up to the corner. No overlap, which means when you put on a case, the case is never going to bubble up the screen protector. But it has great clarity. Just take that off. It's a dry application, so you don't have to worry about any liquid. And when you remove it, again, it does a wonderful job of protecting your phone. The only thing that's free or open is your grill, and then your sensor, or actually your camera. Your sensors are covered up, but the camera itself is exposed, and this will not in any way impact the actual performance. And if you notice, I have a little bubble there that I'll just kind of squeegee away just by putting it right here and just going up. And we'll just work that guy out. I'll go ahead and do a little bit more squeegeeing a little bit later, but here you can see the actual quality of the screen protector. So I hope this helps you install your own, and I would recommend taking a look at the Ultra Crystal screen protector from Steinhill.